There's nothing classy about the name of this non-cancerous growth, mole. These ugly landmarks can suddenly appear anywhere on the body. While they normally don't pose a health risk, they are still a nuisance. So what are they, and why did they set up camp on your body? They are an accumulation of skin cells produced by melanin. These pigmented clumps of skin can be black, brown, or even flesh-colored. How did they come to be? Often it's genetic. Other factors are sun exposure and hormonal changes. If you notice moles that don't fit the colors mentioned and have asymmetrical shapes and borders, consult your dermatologist immediately. Some moles have a different agenda. One day they just pack up and go away. Most people leave them alone unless they are prominent and cause emotional discomfort. Moles are often removed for cosmetic purposes, but the procedure can be painful and create side effects. Before you schedule an appointment, why not try a home remedy? In today's video, we will walk you through the basic steps to creating your own remedy using baking soda. 1. Baking soda paste. In a cup or in the palm of your hand, make a thick paste of baking soda and water. Apply to the mole and cover with a bandage. Leave overnight and wash in the morning. Repeat the procedure in the morning and leave it on all day. 2. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar has the ability to destroy a flat mole's cells. At first, the mole will turn into a scab, but over time it will fade away. In the palm of your hand, combine baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Mix until you have a thick paste. Apply to the mole. Cover and secure with a bandage. Leave on overnight or just for a few hours. Once you rinse it away, you can reapply. Repeat the procedure until the mole is gone. 3. Baking soda and castor oil. This may be the best remedy. Follow the same procedure as with apple cider vinegar and water. Just mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a drop or 2 of castor oil and blend into a thick paste. Apply to the mole, apply a bandage, and repeat as long as needed. Tips to preventing the reoccurrence of moles. Those with sensitive skin should be careful when applying one of these topical solutions. If you have any negative reaction, stop using it. Avoid excessive exposure to the sun. Apply sunscreen with high SPF if your plans will take you outdoors for a long period of time. Never scratch or pick at moles. Never attempt a do-it-yourself surgical removal. Avoid tanning beds. Eat plenty of foods high in potassium and citric acid. These 2 compounds can inhibit mole growth and can reduce ones already present. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.